Hey guys, Danny here. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are reviewing a pair of earbuds, which are the EarFun Free 2. These were sent to me for review, and as always, if you'd like to pick them up, you can find a link down below. Now, these are coming in at quite a low price point and offer quite a few features, so if you are looking for a pair of earbuds, I would recommend sticking around for the rest of this review while I delve into this product and let you know a little bit more about it and my experience with it. So it is using Bluetooth 5.2, they support wireless charging, they also have a 60 millisecond low latency gaming mode, as well as a whole bunch of other features that I'll be talking about shortly. So let's talk about the unboxing experience, as I know this will be important to some of you, especially if you'll be picking this product up as a gift for someone. And for this product's price point, I was very happy with the unboxing experience. It felt of a high quality, and I definitely would feel fine buying this as a gift for someone. Included in the box, of course, is the charging case, your earbuds, a USB-C charging cable, some spare ear tips to find a size that will fit your ear, and also a user manual, so you have everything you need inside the box. As you'll see, EarFun have gone with a very safe design for this product. They've gone with a very stealthy black look, and the earbuds are also using the same design. Now, I do usually like this type of aesthetic for my tech, for it to be pretty low key and not stand out too much. However, there's so many earbuds nowadays from so many different manufacturers, I feel like you need to be a little bit more creative to stand out. So although I don't dislike this design, I do find it is a little bit safe and a little bit boring, and I do feel the finish on the plastic does feel slightly on the cheaper side, but I can't be too harsh here as this product does have quite a low price point. Pairing this product is very nice and simple. If you haven't already paired your earbuds, when you open the case's lid, they will go into pairing mode. If you have already paired them previously, then opening the lid will automatically connect them to your device. And I'm happy to report this seems to happen very quickly. Different devices have a different connection time, and these seemed on the slightly faster side, so that's always nice to see if you're in a bit of a rush and you really are quite impatient sometimes, like I am. So I thought the connection speed was very good, as well as the connection quality and strength, which I'll be talking about next. So I've had fun testing these earbuds. I was just out doing a run. I'm walking at the moment because I'm not used to running in this heat. Heat is an extra element that I'm not used to. I don't normally run in the summer, but I've been incorporating it into my sort of weekly routine. So yeah, these earbuds have been pretty good so far. Really good seal on my ears. Music sounds very good. I'll be talking about that more in the rest of the review. But as for fit and running in them, had no issues, no connection issues, no issues with them moving around. So in that respect, they've been very good so far. So on to the rest of the review. Although my overall experience using these during exercise was mostly positive, there were a few minor issues that I'd like to talk about. One of them was each time I connected these earbuds to my smartphone, they seemed to reset their volume level. I'm not sure if this is an issue with my smartphone or my earbuds, because I didn't see other reviewers mention this. What this meant was each time I connected them, I would have to adjust the volume on the earbuds themselves by tapping the right earbud, which would raise the music level. And I would sometimes forget this and then go for a run, and I would be running along tapping the earbuds trying to raise the volume, which was a little bit frustrating. One other problem I had was having to triple tap the earbuds to change to the next track. I found this a little bit hit and miss, more so when I was running. This could have been me not doing it correctly, but it just felt like I had to give a couple of tries before it would actually work. Now, this can sometimes be solved on other earbuds I've used in the past, because they allow you to change the touch control settings. So for example, you could change from a triple tap to a double tap, or maybe even a single tap. This is a feature I would have loved to seen with maybe a supporting app, but unfortunately you can't do that with this product. Let's delve a little bit more into how this product sounds. Now I did find the EarFun to have a very balanced audio profile and it sounded pretty decent on most songs, but what stood out the most to me when comparing this to a lot of other products is I found the bass generally not very impressive and not very punchy. I listened to a lot of rap, a lot of old school hip hop songs, and it was just something I noticed straight away. I didn't find the bass very impressive. I even used a few bass test tracks, and I just felt that the bass needed to be more punchy. So I think they have gone for a slightly safer audio profile, but by no means would I say this product has bad audio, not at all. This may just be a personal preference thing, so I definitely would recommend getting another opinion on this. Check out some other reviews, as I may not be giving this a balanced view, as I'm used to listening to certain types of music, so definitely do a little bit more research into that one. This product does support wireless charging, as I mentioned earlier. It is also using USB-C charging, which is nice to see. It's using the most up-to-date USB standard, which is something some other products fall behind on, so I'm happy to see that. The charging times and also usage times are impressive. You can put the earbuds in the case when they're empty, and with 10 minutes of charging you can get 2 hours of playback, which is impressive. With a full charge you can get, I found, around 6 hours, and charges out of the case you can get around 30 hours. So this product does have a impressive charging time and also usage time, so there it definitely gets a thumbs up. I did try out the product's low latency gaming mode and it seemed to work well. You do sacrifice a little bit of range when you have this turned on, but I didn't find I had any problems while gaming, listening to music, YouTube videos. There wasn't any kind of discernible lag, but it's not an area that I extensively use earbuds in, but for me I found it worked pretty well. Video call quality seemed good. It didn't perform very well when I was out running and I've received a call, but that's kind of to be expected with the wind and other factors. But for general call quality, I found them perfectly acceptable, probably slightly above average. You can also use the earbuds individually, which I know some of you will be pleased to know, as you often ask. And the product is rated IPX7 waterproof, so you should be good dunking these in water. Not that I would recommend it. What are my final thoughts on this product? Well, overall I think it is a very solid product with a few minor issues. If you can overlook the minor issues that I've outlined, then I don't think you'll be disappointed with this product, and I definitely would recommend it. As always, if you would like to pick it up, you can find a link down below, and I always recommend checking out some other reviews to get a second opinion. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.